Hey my friends, this is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a resume to your LinkedIn profile. So after watching this video, you are able to do this work perfectly without any time wasted. Let's get started. First, I'm going on LinkedIn on my PC. You need to log in here. You go to your profile. Then again click on setting and privacy. Just go to setting and privacy. Then you need to click on data privacy. Again scroll down, job seeking preference. Just click on first one. Then you can see here are two resume here. If I upload a new resume from on here, just upload resume, then select your resume, then open. Okay, it's successfully uploaded. Keep in mind this video I created only for your example purpose, so these work are already done. So just scroll and log out. Oh, okay, these work are already done. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.